Time to fix it. You need all the points you can get out of the higher race. It's cool. Ride the King's University Scout coming again. All this gets out, sex ensues. Catholic school's proud of that shit. Well, good school, my dad's getting killed. Yeah, but nobody's gonna find out about this. Lisa took a picture of us last night.
You know, what if her parents ask questions?
That's a problem.